Hey guys, Jared from EagleLights.com. Today we're going to be installing our Infinity Beam rear turn signals on this '03 Heritage Softail Classic. Let's get to it. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the stock lenses. Take out the stock bulb by pushing in and turning counterclockwise. We're just going to repeat this process on the other side. Now that we have the stock turn signals removed, we can install our new Infinity Beams. What's unique about our Infinity Beam turn signals is that they have an integrated chrome trim ring that'll blend seamlessly with the stock housing. Take the turn signal, plug it into the socket, and rotate the plug clockwise. The kit includes 2 new screws to attach the signal to the stock bezel. Repeat the process on the other side. All right, now that we got them installed, let's see how they look. And there you have it. That's how to install our Infinity Beam 3 1/4 inch turn signal.